is mainly used for robot welding of RV frames, manual hoisting and loading, manual pressing by tooling, inserting the workpiece into the positioning pin and fixing it on the welding platform of the positioner, and the robot automatically welds according to the preset program. Against the backdrop of the rapid growth of the RV market, the bottlenecks of traditional manual welding in terms of efficiency, quality, and cost have become increasingly prominent, forcing manufacturers to seek technological upgrades. Robot automated welding technology, with its high efficiency, stability, reliability and flexibility, perfectly meets the demands of RV frame manufacturing and is changing from optional to mandatory, becoming an important sign of the RV manufacturing industry moving towards industrialization, scale and high-quality development. Two robots working together can weld different areas of the same frame at the same time, or work in collaboration. It has the advantages of wide application range, beautiful welding form, stable performance, easy operation and high efficiency. Robots replacing human labor can not only increase labor productivity and improve the working environment of workers, but also enhance the stability and reliability of product quality. The pneumatic fixture system enables the fixture to open and close at an extremely fast speed, significantly reducing the clamping and positioning time of the workpiece and increasing the overall equipment operation rate. With the AGR Internet of Things system, key indicators such as the operational status, production quantity, and uptime rate of the entire welding workstation can be remotely monitored in real time, enabling transparent production management. Predictive maintenance is also possible. It continuously monitors the status of the robot's core components such as servo motors, reducers, and controllers, and warns of potential failure risks in advance by analyzing data such as load, temperature, and vibration.